Get ready for the loudest neck cracks you've ever heard. These spine-tingling adjustments are next-level satisfying. Turn up the volume and brace yourself.
Oh my God.
Because this is gonna be crunchy. Let's dive in.
Ooh.
That's, yeah.
Here. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, the right side is way tighter.
Good.
Oh my goodness.
Breathe.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That was insane.
Here.
Oh my God. Woo! Oh. That was a big crack. Everything cracked.
Let it out.
Oh, holy. Oh my God. That was insane. Ear to shoulder. There we go. Yep. Oh, oh my. Whoa! Oh my gosh! How the hell? Wait, what? Oh, that feels good. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Oh.
Right here. Oh.
Talk about decompression. I felt that low. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, that one went lower. Oh. Oh, wow.
And rest. Catch your breath.
Oh, wow.
In and out.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Ah, that felt so good. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my goodness, that felt so good.
sorry.
Feel it.
Wow.
God.
Wow. Oh.
Good.
Wow.
Oh. 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 That one was so scary. That felt good. I felt it all the way down.
Yeah.
Shoulder.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Oh, I never want to have that done again. Holy shit. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Oh yeah. That was really good.
One more.
Oh. Oh wow.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
Wow.
Oh, that felt so good. Oh.
Oh my God. Oh.
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 That was some next-level crunch. If you loved these insane adjustments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic chiropractic compilations.